Bitcoin's real problem is not just volatility. It is a question of identity, because after all the hype, all the headlines, and all the price cycles, Bitcoin still has not clearly proved itself as real money. And that matters more than whether the price is up or down. A lot of investors look at Bitcoin the same way they look at any falling asset. If it drops enough, they assume it must become a bargain. But that logic only works when the asset has a clearer foundation of value. With Bitcoin, the deeper question comes first. What exactly is it? Supporters often call it the future of money. But in practice, Bitcoin behaves much more like a speculative financial asset than a widely used currency. Money is supposed to do three things well. It should work as a medium of exchange. It should help price goods and services consistently, and it should function as a stable store of value over time. Bitcoin has not convincingly achieved that in everyday economic life. Most people are not using it for salaries, retail payments, or ordinary pricing. They are buying it, holding it, and waiting for the price to move. That means in reality, Bitcoin is still used more as something to trade than something to spend. And once that becomes clear, the buy the dip mindset starts to look much less obvious. Because when an asset is driven mainly by liquidity, sentiment, and momentum, a lower price does not automatically mean better value. It may simply mean the market is still repricing risk. This is why I remain skeptical whenever people treat Bitcoin like a simple bargain after a sell-off. A price drop alone does not settle the investment case. If the underlying asset still depends more on narrative than on real-world economic use, then every rebound story has to be treated carefully. That does not mean Bitcoin cannot rise again. It can. Markets can stay excited for a long time, but price action is not the same as proof, and speculation is not the same as monetary success. So before asking whether Bitcoin is worth buying, I think we should ask a more basic question. Has Bitcoin truly matured into money? So far, I don't think it has. And until that changes, treating every dip as an opportunity may be more speculation than conviction.